It's not that much fun when you reach for your 1542C to realize you're out of solution number 5. So luckily, there's the Power Up Kit. The Power Up Kit contains, it's like a mini kit that replaces solution number 5. It has three loads. Okay, so the first step, of course, is to read the instruction manual and understand the safety aspects of the kit. Open up these are the parts in each package. A vial, solution A, and a label, a blank label. Empty the entire contents into the bottle. Replace the nipple. Shake it vigorously for about a minute. Then you fill out the label with today's date. This solution expires in about a year, give or take. It's a little hard to be precise with the estimation, but this is a good guide for how long the solution will last. So fill this out, stick it onto the bottle, and then you can go back to using your 1542C kit. Thanks for watching.